So now let's think a little bit about how we can naturally increase and support the levels of stomach acid in our clients. Well, first of all, we can think about using apple cider vinegar. Now, what we would do with this is use some apple cider vinegar mixed with water, drunk just before a meal. So you don't need much water here. We don't really want too much in the way of dilution, but we just want a little bit just to almost supplement the lack of hydrochloric acid in that individual's stomach. In this case, we want to make sure that the apple cider vinegar is with the mother. What I mean by that is that it is unfiltered, it is unpasteurized, and it is also rich with the natural probiotics, the friendly bacteria in the vinegar too. Apple cider vinegar is also rich in something called malic acid. Now, malic acid is actually used as a catalyst in the Krebs cycle, so it helps to increase the production of energy, so that's thinking of other uses of apple cider vinegar. But malic acid is also used for bile production. Again, something to consider when supporting digestive health in your clients. It is worth bearing in mind that apple cider vinegar is high in histamines, so if somebody comes to see you with a histamine intolerance, then apple cider vinegar is something you would not be recommending to them. Now, in my practice, one of the things that I use a huge amount are bitters. Now, when we talk about bitters, we're talking about anything that has a bitter taste. This is really about the taste of these herbs, the taste of these various foods. Bitters are incredibly effective because they increase the activity of the digestive juices. They increase the production and the release of the digestive juices throughout the gastrointestinal tract. Now, the concept behind why we think this works, or how we think this works, is that many poisons in nature are actually bitter. And as a result, if we were to ingest something that's poisonous, we would like, as a result, to try and dilute it and to try and make it untoxic, so to speak. So what we could do is therefore dilute it with stomach acid or with saliva or with pancreatic juice or bile. And so the idea is that our body thinks that anything bitter could potentially be harmful. And so as an inbuilt reflex, bitter foods and bitter herbs stimulate the production of digestive juices.